So, hello, we are Team Technum, and this is our idea. Every year, India witnessed massive gatherings from festivals and political rallies to metro stations and concerts. Managing such large crowd is a serious challenge, and uncontrolled movement often leads to chaos, stampedes, and sometimes even loss of lives. To solve this problem, we present a crowd management system, a smart solution powered by artificial intelligence, IoT, and real time data analysis. At the core of our solution is a custom built drone equipped with high resolution cameras, thermal sensors, GPS modules, and obstacle avoidance technology. The drone captures real time aerial footage of the crowd, even in challenging conditions like night or dense gatherings. The aerial perspective gives authorities a bird's eye view of crowd density, flow, and unusual activities. On the software side, the system uses computer vision models YOLO, OpenCV for crowd detection and density estimation, and AI based predictive analytics to forecast potential overcrowding. The backend is powered by Python, TensorFlow, and Flask. Key features of the system includes drone-based aerial analysis, real-time tracking, predictive crowd flow, automatic emergency alert, and mobile integration for authorities. With this blend of smart hardware and powerful software, we ensure better coordination, smoother movements of people, and timely decision making to prevent accidents. The crowd management system is not just technology, it is a step toward creating safer, smarter, and more organized public space for India. Together, we can make large gatherings secure, efficient, and worry free. Crowd management system, smart safety for smart India. Thank you.